Many people aspire to attract wealth and money, and one popular approach is to use crystals believed to enhance this process. Explore the top 3 crystals associated with prosperity and abundance. First, citrine, the merchant stone. Bathed in the sun's energy, its golden glow symbolizes warmth and vitality. Citrine is considered an attractor of wealth, success, and good fortune. Next we have pyrite, or fool's gold. More than just a protective stone, its metallic glimmer has long been associated with financial prosperity. It inspires confidence and acts as a magnet for abundance. Finally, embrace the stone of opportunity, green Aventurine. Celebrated for its ability to manifest wealth, it's a beacon of luck and success, especially in financial pursuits. It encourages optimism and sound decision-making. Carry these crystals, place them in your space, or weave them into your meditation and manifestation practices. They're thought to amplify your intentions, helping you align with the energies of abundance and prosperity.